Hey there! The time this video airs, early February 2024, the world of crypto is set up for another epic bull run. Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, the halving is around the corner, and slowly but steady even the cute girl in the bakery is talking about the cute dog money. If there wasn't all the warmongering at the same time, we'd have clear skies ahead, but that would be boring, am I right? Financial education and financial freedom should be your prio number one right now. 10 more crypto projects to know about. Thank you for watching. The holy trilemma of blockchain projects: scalability, security, and decentralization. Getting all three done is quite a challenging task. This one tries. Introducing Fantom. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Fantom attacks the scalability problem with the Mina Protocol, which promises a high throughput and low transaction times and fees. The main network for smart contracts is called Opera Chain, which allows developers to use the Ethereum virtual machine, leveraging the security of the network. A built-in mechanism tries to prevent concentration of power among a small amount of validators. Sounds pretty technical, and I'm not really sure if Fantom has solved. Proof of stake seems to be the way to go recently. One project trying proof of work again is going through the roof in 2023, and its name is Kaspa. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Jonathan Sompolinski rallied a team of renowned cryptographs and developers around him. Their core idea, which is also implemented into the Kaspa project, is quite a simple one. Blockchains are linear, one block after the other connected to the last one. Harvard computer scientist Sompolinski just asked, why? The Ghost Stack protocol was the answer, and now blocks can be mined simultaneously, which leads to way more throughput, higher speed, while maintaining security and stability. It sounds really good, maybe too good. You like this? Or even this? Or maybe you're this guy? Let's cut the paperwork and bring all of this to the blockchain. Introducing Flow. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Flow is a pretty easy project to understand. They caught up to the NFT craze in the early 2020s and created a protocol custom for people to collect digital collectibles. NBA Top Shot NFTs are the most prominent one. There is a niche for everything, you know. If you think NFTs are garbage, I'd rather keep my fingers from Flow, but if you... Ethereum revolutionized crypto, but also flooded the space with shitcoins. Now it's time for a new era and possibly the birth of shit chains? Introducing Celestia. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. The sheer possibility of scaling blows my mind. Imagine people can not only build tokens with a project, but whole blockchains in minutes. At least that's what Celestia promises on their website. Modular blockchains and data availability technology makes the whole system scale with the numbers of people using it. Light nodes, data availability, sampling, roll-ups, and a thought-through layering system makes Celestia seem a sure call. Very young project though. Blockchains grow larger and larger, and at some point nodes have to save astronomical amounts of data. A problem that today's project aims to solve. Introducing Mina Protocol. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Mina devs describe the project as the world's lightest blockchain. With the use of zero-knowledge technology, they built a so-called succinct blockchain, meaning the entire history of the blockchain is saved into a sheer amount of 22 kilobytes. Compare that to the 300 gigabytes of Bitcoin. Now you ask why? Well, I also did. Just take out your phone and calculate how big the Bitcoin blockchain will be in the year 2100. But our storage systems grow at the same time, aren't they? Meanwhile, we already have so many stablecoins. Tether, DAI, True, Terra. That didn't work out, did it? But there is a new alternative. That doesn't sound so bad. First Digital USD. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. FDUSD is not a project you put your money in for returns. It is a stablecoin that reflects the worth of US dollar. In this case, at least what I could find out, their dollar reserves are equal or even exceed the amount of circulating tokens. Further, they claim to be fully transparent about that and are fully compliant with all applicable regulations. I cited that, by the way. I don't guarantee for anything. Stablecoins were, are, and will always be a bit risky, but a Tiny little riddle. What do you get when you mix the Cosmos blockchain with Ethereum devs and mix in a 750 million creator fund? You get KAVA. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Long story short, KAVA aims to scale the speed and other advantages of the Cosmos chain and mix it with the developer power of Ethereum. The quick and large growth of the project, keeping in mind that it promises what literally all the layer 1s promise, can be explained by the large bribe they hurl at the devs choosing the chain. Once the pool is empty, well, think for yourself. Maybe with governance tokens are a necessary way to support your centralized exchange. This one is no exception. Introducing KuCoin token. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. We know a lot about governance tokens already. Pay fees, get a right to vote, get advantages on the exchange, and so on. The exchange KuCoin has big plans though. The ERC20 Ethereum token has a fixed 200 mil supply and will be burned down to 100 mil and will be used for the coming decentralized exchange and the big project KuChain. Want a CX? Then oh man, Bitcoin is so expensive, it's way too late to buy a Bitcoin, am I right? Nope, you're wrong, you can buy sats, but not sets. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. So one sat is a millionth of a Bitcoin. People deliberately divided each Bitcoin into a smaller unit named after the inventor Satoshi Nakamoto because the price went so high. But this here? It's a meme coin created by the recent Bitcoin ordinals flood. Why would you buy something like this when you could have a real set by just buying parts of a Bitcoin? It went straight to the top 100 and I don't know why. Use the real thing, guys, even if you say, you know this sound? It's the BONK meme. But did you also know that this meme is now worth $1.4 billion? Feel greedy already? Better listen up. Introducing BONK. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. So every now and then a meme coin rises to absurd popularity. This time the Solana-based token made the race by airdropping a whopping 50% of its supply to the Solana community. The website consists of only one page, planning to dive into Web3 and gaming. My friend, I heard this stuff so many times I stopped counting. By the community, for the community, blah 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 blah. If you made a fortune by now, I say congrats from my heart. Investing now, I'd rather get my bet and